Welcome. In this guide, we'll walk you through the complete industrial epoxy flooring process for workshops, covering proper priming, mortar layer application, and the curing process for long-lasting performance. Industrial epoxy flooring is a reliable solution for workshops where durability, chemical resistance, and ease of maintenance are essential. Achieving long-lasting performance depends on following the correct installation process, especially priming, mortar layer application, and curing. The first and most critical step is surface preparation and priming. The concrete substrate must be clean, dry, and free from oil, dust, or laitance. Mechanical grinding or shot blasting is recommended to open the concrete pores. An epoxy primer is then applied to improve adhesion, seal the surface, and prevent air bubbles. Proper priming ensures a strong bond between the concrete and subsequent layers. Next is the epoxy mortar layer application. This layer is created by mixing epoxy resin with graded aggregates to form a high-strength mortar. The mortar is applied to achieve the required thickness, typically in areas exposed to heavy loads, impact, and abrasion. It provides excellent mechanical strength, levels uneven surfaces, and enhances overall floor durability. The final stage is the curing process, which is vital for performance. Curing time depends on temperature, humidity, and product specifications. During curing, the floor must be protected from traffic, moisture, and dust. Proper curing allows the epoxy system to reach full hardness, chemical resistance, and long-term durability, making it ideal for demanding workshop environments. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.